everyone! Nandito po kami sa Krispy Kreme here in Burbank. At naku, exciting ito ha. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ginagawa ang donut. Alam na ninyo kung paano paggawa ng donut, pero this is exciting kasi itong store ng Krispy Kreme na to, makikita po ninyo sa loob yung paggawa nila ng donut. So this is really exciting. Ayun po ang Krispy Kreme. Ayun. Okay, so nagpa-park lang si Dada ng kotse at makikita po ninyo, papasok po tayo sa loob ha. Hintayin lang natin si Dada. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Krispy Kreme. Pasok po tayo sa loob. Bakit masyadong tao dito ngayon ha? Ayan no, tignan ninyo oh. Yan ang gawaan ng mga donuts. Oh, walang masyadong walang masyadong gawa ng donuts ngayon. Pero siguro kasi meron na sila doon. Ayan ang makikita nyo rito. Kasi kadalasan, yan makikita nyo talaga yung mga donuts. Diyan naglinya-linya yung mga donuts. So this is, I call this conveyor belt. Yan. Okay, and then dito, ayan, dyan po sila gumagawa ng donuts. So talagang makikita ninyo, very clear kung paano nila sinasalansan ng mga donuts. Okay, so ngayon, dito ngayon tayo order ng mga donuts. Okay. At pwede rin tayong kumain dito. Pwede rin po kumain dito. So ayan, ang mga klase ng mga donuts na meron sila. At we can also order some coffee. Ayan, nakakatuwa. May mga minis. Yan ang gusto ko, yung minis. Para isang subuan lang. Ayan, this one is really good. Pero talaga pinaka-paborito namin dito, yung glaze. Glaze ito. Well, actually, this is glaze raspberry filled. Pero ang talagang gusto namin yung original glaze. Ayan. Ayan. Kita ninyo yung mga iba't ibang klase ng mga donuts na yan. Ito naman dito, Santa Belly. Oh, wraps, chocolate ice glaze, strawberry ice glaze, glaze lemon filled chocolate ice, Cindy Lou. Wow, that's a cute name for a donut. Assorted minis, cinnamon roll. Ayan, favorite ko rin yung cinnamon roll na yan. Green cheese sauce. Glaze sour cream. Chocolate ice with cream filling. Okay, Grinch. Tingnan naman din ito. The Grinch. Oh my goodness. The Grinch. Baka pagka kumain ako nitong The Grinch na ito, bigla ako sumimangot ha. Strawberry ice glaze. Dada, order tayo ng ano, ayun natin 1 dozen. Tapos yung kakainin natin dito. Hi, yes, 1 dozen of glaze and the chocolate ice glaze. I think it's better you do it six ice glaze and the 6 the regular. The chocolate ice glaze 6 and the original glaze 6. Yeah, thank you. Same box. Hi tayo dito. No? Okay, so gonna order this one, cinnamon roll. The cinnamon roll is good. Cinnamon roll and coffee. Ayan. Okay, at ayun, may mga minis din sila doon. Ayun. Ay, pareho rin yata yun.
Chocolate icy?
Okay, yeah, I think I will order that.
Con sprinkles. Con sprinkles. Con sprinkles?
Maybe 1 dozen of the minis, Dada.
Okay.
Okay, yes, thank you. And also a dozen of the minis.
The minis?
Yeah, this one.
the
Oh,
nuts?
this one,
They
yeah.
come like 10 or 24.
Yes,
So you want to do all glaze or mix?
mix. Yeah. Tapos yun na lang, kainin na lang natin dito, no, Dada? Do you want something else? Chocolate ice, please. Mahilig ka sa chocolate, ah. Donut. Ayun, naku, donut doon. Isang katerban doon, natandaan doon. Ayun. Usually yan, meron kong makikita gumagawa ng donut. Pero ngayon, I think they're done. They probably started early. Kaya, medyo wala na lang masyadong gumagawa ng donut. Kasi medyo tanghali na. It's about 12 noon. That is it 12 noon? Yeah, it's about 12 noon. So, pero gusto ko itong cinnamon roll, ha? Oh, so it's 1:30. Okay. Yan. Ako, sarap yan. Tapos magko-coffee kami. Okay.
Anything else?
We can order coffee from there, right? Okay. No, we're good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So, and then we are going to order coffee. Oh, look at those cups. Wow. Oh, look at this cups. It's so cute. Look at the mga cups. Krispy Kreme. Okay, and then we are going to order coffee. Dito tayo sa likod niya. Then we're gonna order coffee. Regular coffee. Oh, irresistible latte. Irresistible latte. Nada. Okay, yun mga prices nila, oh. Ayan. So, original glaze, ang dozen is $19. $19.99, so that's like $20. Yeah, so they have all this hot ice and frozen drinks with coffee, lattes, special latte. Yan. White mocha latte. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get a caramel mocha latte. Na ikaw, ano gusto mo? Mocha? Mocha latte? You want it hot? Oh, okay. Okay, well. Oh, so, but the latte only. Oh, yeah, okay. You can get it hot. Okay. Alright, so, we're still in line and, we're waiting. Mocha latte for you, Dada. Okay. Mocha latte. Ice mocha latte for Dada, and mine is caramel mocha. Okay, so we're waiting in line. Ayan, wala masyadong tao ngayon. Kasi kadalasan dito, ang haba ng pila, puno. Kasi siguro, because it's a weekdays, so Thursday dito ngayon. Kaya siguro walang masyadong tao. Pag weekend, ayan, makita mo puno-puno ang tao dito pagka weekend. Okay, so our bill comes up to $30.66. I changed my mind. I got the iced caramel mocha. That's the iced coffee. Kay Dada naman yung classic. So that's the total. Kay Dada. Welcome to Krispy Kreme. Dada.
Pero maandala, di ba?
Kasi hindi na sila gumagawa ngayon eh. Siguro kanina umaga.
Ito ang original eh.
So ito palang original. So according to Dada, ito pala ang pinaka-original na kanilang branch. This is the first branch. Ito yung unang-unang nilang branch ng Krispy Kreme donut. It's really good. These are the minis. I'm gonna try the minis. Good. Oh, I'm gonna try the chocolate. This is the chocolate. Ah? Gaano yun?
Original New York. New York original, tapos California.
Okay, so ang original pala nito is New York and then California. So ito ang pinaka-first branch nila dito sa California. Dito sa Burbank. This is Burbank, California. So, sugar overload ako ngayon. Lots of donut to finish. So, I finished one glaze and almost finished with my chocolate. Pag weekend siguro busy sila rito, no? Ka-weekend. Sarap, no? So good! So we got 2 boxes of donut. This one is a dozen of the glazed donut. dadalhin to ni Kevin sa kanyang mga co-workers tomorrow. At ito nga, yung minis. These are the minis. Ayan. That's about 10 pieces. At ito ay mixed glaze and chocolate. 6 chocolates and 6 glaze. Ang nakain ni Dada na chocolates, 3. Kasi, parang, wait a minute. Because this is 6. Okay, so, yes, 2 yung nakain ni Dada na chocolate. Ako, 1 lang. At, 1 lang din na glaze ang nakain ko kay Dada. 1 glaze. Talagang paborito talaga ni Dada ang chocolates eh. Ayan. So, we're still here. And soon we're leaving. Ito na pinaka-lunch namin. Breakfast and lunch. Ayan, ang dami ng tao. Mukhang mga estudyante to. Kasi kanina pagdating namin, halos ilan-ilan lang. Mabibilang mo ang mga nandito sa loob. Siguro ito mga kalalabas lang sa ano nila, sa klase nila. Ayan. So, andito pa kami, but we are leaving soon. Okay, so we're heading back. We're just here to show you guys Krispy Kreme donut. At sana po nagustuhan po niyo ang aking video. At nandito pa rin kami. Ayan, ang Krispy Kreme donut. At nasatisfied naman kami ni Dada. Cravings satisfied. It's really, really good. Sugar overload. See you guys later. Bye.